Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make quick and easy chicken nuggets. What you will need: 1/4 cup of flour, 2 eggs, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 500 grams of chicken, and 1 liter of oil. What you need to do is to put your flour in one bowl, eggs in another, and your breadcrumbs in a third. Cut your chicken up into squares and then place first into the flour, then into the egg, and finally into the breadcrumbs. Season your breadcrumbs with salt and pepper, makes it tastier. Place these aside on a plate for frying later, as you can see here. Now take your chicken and place it into your hot oil. Only needs about 2 minutes or so. When done, pick up, drain briefly, and place on a plate with a paper towel. That's it. Easy. Repeat the process until the chicken is cooked. And you now have fresh, homemade chicken nuggets, and you know what's in them.